Welcome to 70 Kenton Street in Mitchell. A highly desirable bungalow with 4,550 square feet of finished living space nestled on a quiet street. This spacious, elegant home will accommodate your family and your guests with everything on your wish list, including a separate entrance to the lower level. The main floor boasts 3 bedrooms with a primary bedroom ensuite and walk-in closet, main floor laundry, and a custom eat-in kitchen with not 1 but 2 islands opening to the family room, featuring a stone floor-to-ceiling fireplace and surround. In addition, your formal dining room and elegant great room with vaulted ceiling are bathed in natural light from the stunning front window. R3 zoning means potential for a second dwelling unit in the basement, which is fully finished with a huge rec room and games area with a second beautiful fireplace, 2 additional bedrooms, and a gorgeous custom porcelain tile bathroom. The pool-sized backyard adds even more living space with a covered barbecue area on the 520 square feet deck and is fully fenced with a large 12 by 12 shed on a concrete slab. All this and more is ideally located within 30 minutes to both the Stratford Festival and to beautiful beaches and sunsets on Lake Huron.